Good afternoon, sir. I am Sabarish Raja from DKT Global Public School. My topic is robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that integrates computer science and engineering. Robotics involves design, construction, operations, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Robotics develops machines that can substitute for human and replicate humans' actions. Robot can be used in many situations for many purposes, but today many are used in dangerous environment, manufacturing, process or where humans can't survive. So this is the app Space Rocket Exploration. This is the app created, sir. Sir, we can watch this video. Sir, this game gives you the ability to feel the excitement of traveling to space and exploring planets like you never felt and seen before. The game has astonishing graphics and physics that simulates space how it is in the real life. First part of the game is where you have to build your own rocket and launch it in the launch area. There are 3 stages: small stage, medium stage and large stage. You can combine all parts of different size and make a big rocket that you can travel, discover planets further and further. And more interesting part of the game is the ability to build a space station in space by attaching every single part that you bring from the earth. Size of space station is unlimited. You can also controllers to make it controllable. Satellite is another object you can launch in the space. You may have many different satellites. The game has all planets with their moons that exist in our solar system, which all them have in different characteristics. And sir, these are the images I read, sir. This is a good game to understand to success in the mission of space exploration, sir. Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Hi sir, I am Kishore from DKT Global Public School Grade 8. Today I am going to explain about robotics. Robotics is the branch of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and computer science that deals with the design, construction, operation and application of the robotics, as well as computer systems for their control and processing. These technologies deal with automated machines that can take the place of human in various kinds of work, activities, environments and processes. The definition of the word robot has a different meaning to many people. According to the Robot Institute of America, 1979, a robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material parts, tools or specialized device through various program motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. The use of robot continues to change numerous aspects of everybody's life, such as healthcare, education and job satisfying. Robots are going to be a major part of the world economy. They help us to make our daily life easier and assist in producing more products. Robotic technology is becoming one of the leading technologies in the world. They can perform many functions. They are used in many different ways in today's society. The use of robotic technology has made an immediate impact on the world in several ways. As technological advances continue, research, design and building new robots serve various practical purposes, whether domestic, commercial. Many robots even do the jobs that are hazardous to people, such as defusing bombs, mining and exploring shipwrecks. This is the explanation of robotics.
Good afternoon, sir. I am AP Santosh. And today seeing about robotic. Robotic is a branch of mechanical engineering, electric engineering, and computer science that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robotic as well as computer system of their control and processing. This technology deal with automatic machine that can take the place of a human in variable kinds of work, activity, environment, and process. The different of the world robot has different meaning to many people. As to the robot instrument of America 1979, a robot is reprogrammed multifunction main approved designed to move material parts through a certification device through variable program motion of the performance of a variable of task. The using of robot continue to charge and number it's set of our everyday life such as healthcare, education, and job certification. Robots are going to be main parts of the world. Several we as technology advance continue research designs and building new robots server valuable participants proposer weather domain commentary and military. May robots every do the job that are has disease to people much as different bonds many an explorer ship virus.